How to read deleted messages on your WhatsApp without any app. This works on an iPhone or an Android. So what you have to do firstly is there are two methods. You guys both have to go on your settings. Then once you are on your settings, you're gonna have to scroll down till you find this option right here or it's that notification. It should be before sound and haptics. Just click on that. Now what you have to do if you are on an Android, you're gonna have to turn this option on and call notification history. What this is doing, this is basically putting every single message that everybody ever sent you. So even if they delete the message, it's always going to be their notification history. Unfortunately, this is not available for an iPhone, but there's other two methods you could still try, which is still going to show the deleted message on WhatsApp. So what you have to do if you are on an iPhone, you're going to have to scroll down. Then once you scroll down, you're going to have to find this option right here where it said WhatsApp. Just click on that. Then once you find this option right here, make sure this is completely on. If this is not on, it's not going to work. So make sure this is completely on. Then once you do that, go back to notifications again. And there's an option right here where it said tracking notifications. Just click on that again. Make sure you also turn this on right here. Now what this is just doing, this is basically tracking all the notifications somebody ever sent you. Now from here, what you have to do is you're gonna have to go back on WhatsApp. Then once you're back on WhatsApp, you're gonna have to click on this option right here where it says settings all the way to the right. Then once you do that, you're gonna have to scroll up and you're gonna have to click on this option right here where it says chats. If you're on an Android, you could still do this. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on this option right here where it says chat backup and make sure you are backing up your chat. So even if you delete WhatsApp, all your chats still gonna be saved there. It's basically the recovery method. So just click on this backup option right here. Make sure on the Android, as this is backupping, you also have this option right here where it's an auto backup or it's at daily. Make sure you click on that and make sure this is on daily. Make sure this is not off or on weekly. Make sure this is on daily. So your chat backs up every single day and you have it saved. That's basically how you read deleted message on WhatsApp without any app. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below to Instructify if you need any help. Thank you for watching.